Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, ninth class. Hope you are doing well. Today we will start the animal and plant tissues. As you know, tissues are the group of similar cells which perform a common function. Okay, it is the next level after cell level of organization. Next level of organization is tissue level, and it is defined as the group of similar cells which perform a common function. Okay, in this topic we will discuss animal and plant tissues in detail. Okay, but before that there is some information like in colonial organization we cannot say it is organized in tissue level, because in a colony it is the cell which is present in it, they are totally independent, they do not depend upon each other, and their cells do not have any coordination between them, and there is no specific function of these cells. They do not specialize in any function, so we cannot say that colonial organization they get the tissue level of organization. Okay, so colonial organization do not attain the tissue level of organization. Okay, first of all we will discuss today animal tissues. Basically there are 4 groups of animal tissues. There we classified animal tissues into 4 types. One is epithelial tissues, then connective tissues, and muscle tissues, and nervous tissues. So there are 4 major groups of animal tissues: epithelial tissues, connective tissues, muscle tissues, and nervous tissues. Today we will start the first type of animal tissues, which is epithelial tissues. Okay, epithelial tissues basically they cover the outside of the body of organism, where they are present on the outside of the body, and they cover the body parts, and they are also present around the organ and cavities. So they are lines the organs and cavities. So epithelial tissues are present around the body, and they cover different organs and cavities, and they are very closely packed, means that they do not have any spaces between them. They are very closely packed, and there are different types of epithelial tissues depending upon their function, their type of layers, and depend upon the location where they are present. They are of different type. We will discuss 5 of them. First of all, squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium, it consists of single layer of flat cells. Okay, it consists of single layer flat cells. It is found in lungs, heart, and blood vessels. And its function it allow movement of materials. Okay, when you learn it, you make different points of these epithelial tissues. Like first is squamous epithelium is type of cells. Its type of cells means it have only single layer of flat cells. And second is where is found, what is its location. It is found in the lungs vessels. Okay, and third is what is the function of squamous epithelium. It allows the movement of material across it. So you make 3 different points when you learn these type of tissues, epithelial tissues की जब type learn करेंगे तो ये points में आप बेशक बना लेंगे. Okay, this is basically squamous epithelium. It is consists of single layer of flat cells. Okay, this is squamous epithelium. Okay, next type is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium consists of single layer of cube shaped cells. So type of cells are, it consists of single layer of cube shaped cell. And next is its location. It is found in kidney tubes, and small glands. Okay, it is location of cuboidal epithelium and its function is it make secretions. Okay, so this is the function of cuboidal epithelium. This is cuboidal epithelium. It's have cube shape structure. Okay, so you will also practice the diagram. You will this is very important question, पेपर्स में भी आता है, इसकी डायग्राम्स की भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप इज स्ट्रैटिफाइड स्क्वैमस एपिथेलियम. ओके, स्ट्रैटिफाइड squamous epithelium has many layers of flat cells. Okay, it has many layers of flat cells. It is present in the lining of esophagus and mouth and also over the skin. These are the location of stratified squamous epithelium, and its function is it protects the inner part. Okay, next type is columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium has elongated cells and it is found in alimentary glands, gallbladder, etc. Okay, and its function is it makes secretion. And next type is ciliated columnar epithelium, and it has elongated cells with cilia. Cilia is present on it. Okay, and function is it propel mucus को propel करती है, and where it is present in trachea and bronchi. Okay, so these are the 5 different types of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is basically present around the bodies and are the different types of organs or cavities are covered by epithelial tissues, and there are 5 types of epithelial tissue which we have discussed: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated columnar epithelium, and stratified columnar epithelium. Okay, you will learn its types of cells, what type of cells are present in it, and also the location and their function. Make different points. ये इसके अलग अलग पॉइंट्स वाइज आपने याद करने हैं, क्योंकि MCQs में भी इस तरह से पूछ लिया जाता है कि where this epithelium are present and what is their location. Okay, पॉइंट्स में आप इसको लर्न करें, इसके डायग्राम्स की प्रैक्टिस करें, और इसके साथ साथ आप बेशक अपने नोट्स बनाएं, MCQs बनाएं और अच्छे से अपना लर्न करें. ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.